Food and Digestion Part 3. Let's start with our topic digestion. The food we eat, such as chapati, rice, dal, vegetables, milk, fruit, etc., is broken down into smaller and simpler form. Thus, we can define digestion as the process of breaking down of food into simpler form inside our body is called as digestion. This digested food is then taken to all parts of our body by the blood. Now we will study about the process of digestion. Digestion begins in mouth. Teeth cuts the food into smaller bits. Saliva softens the food to pulp. Tongue helps in pushing the bits of food into the throat. Next, the food goes into esophagus, which is also called as food pipe. In esophagus, the wall of the esophagus expands and relaxes, which make a wave-like action to push the food into the stomach. Food remains in the stomach for 1 to 4 hours, during which digestive juices secreted by the stomach convert the mashed food into watery fluid. It also kills the germs in the food. Digestion is completed in the small intestine. The liver, pancreas, and gallbladder secrete juices into the small intestine. These juices help in converting the food into simple, usable form. It passes through the walls of the intestine into the blood, which carries it to all parts of the body. Now, the leftover liquid mixture of undigested food and water in the small intestine passes into the large intestine. The walls of large intestine allows water and leftover useful substances to pass back into the blood. The moist undigested solid remains inside the large intestine. Finally, the undigested or waste food reaches to the rectum. The rectum muscles create pressure that helps in removing solid waste out of the body. Here you can see the whole process of digestion is given from mouth till rectum. Let's summarize the process of digestion. Digestion begins in the mouth. From mouth, the food goes into the esophagus. From esophagus, it reaches to stomach, where digestive juices are acted upon. Then the food is reaches into the small intestine. Here maximum absorption take place. The food which is left over now reaches into large intestine. Here only absorption of water take place. The undigested food is then passed into rectum, and through anus it is removed from our body. Thank you for watching.